Hi and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how to achieve the invisible logs. I'll be showing you two ways to do it. There's one simple way and then there's the normal way. So let's get into it. So the first method is basically both methods are the same principles, but let's get into the first one. You're going to split your parts. I usually pre-part to make my life easier, but on this occasion I don't know why I didn't do it. You're then going to apply any braiding gel of your choice. For my 4C girlies, I usually use the gummy wax, the red one, and the shining gem together because I find that it holds the hair, like it holds. And with this style you need that sleek base, so I would definitely advise you to use a good braiding gel. After that, you're going to split the main part into two. Now, if this is your first time doing invisible locks, I will highly recommend you to start off with large size parts. I find the larger ones to be easier to navigate, so you can get like your twisting method on point. Small size can be tricky and it's more time consuming. Now let's get into the process of doing the invisible lock. So remember, we split the main part into two. We're now going to twist each individual part. There's two ways to go about this. You can use the comb, as I'm doing right now, to twist from the root, or you can twist from the root with your hand. I'll be showing you that method in the next part. But with this one, I started with the comb. I find the comb to be easier because it detangles as you're twisting. Do you get it? So if you have any knots in the hair, it will reveal it. That's why it's always good to detangle the hair from the start when using this comb method. So yeah, you're just going to twist using the comb, and you're going to twist not all the way down because you'll be adding extensions to it, so there's no need to retwist all the way down. Okay, so for this first method, if you can't twist from the root, this is what I do. I basically make a knot. That's it. I make a knot. I find that when I started off with the invisible locks, my twist game from the root was very weak, and then I came up with this method and it worked. It worked like I had twisted from the root. So if you can't twist from the root, make a knot like I did and just attach the extensions to it and start twisting. It was a game changer for me, and it made learning the twist from the root easier. So if you're doing it on yourself and you can't twist from the root, definitely try this method. It's easy and it's quick, and you can control the tightness of the braid with this method. Honestly, I love this. So that's the first method. Another really good tip is, before you start twisting down, twist your natural hair around the extension a few times. I'll probably show you in the next clip, but don't start twisting down immediately. Just twist your natural hair around the extensions a few times in a direction that you'll be twisting a few times before you twist down. That will secure this twist in your hair and it will make your locks last longer. This client's hair lasted over a month. Like, I actually couldn't believe it because I thought everyone keeps saying that these styles don't last. Invisible locks can last, and the older it gets, the more natural it looks. So definitely this hair can last up to a month or even 2 months if you take really good care of it. Guys, you see how I'm just giving you tips? Like, please click that subscribe button, click the like as well, so I know you guys are enjoying this content, so I can keep bringing more. I've been MIA for a bit. I've been gone for a bit, but I'm back again. So please subscribe, and obviously share this video if you've learned a lot from it. Yeah, please share, guys. Don't stop being petty and share. Now for the second method, I've zoomed in, so we're up close and what personal. Let's get into it. Again, same principle as the other one. You're going to have your main part, and then you're going to divide that part into two. Please make sure you're detangling, detangle, especially if you have kinky coily hair like we do, my client does. I also have 4C hair, but if you have kinky coily hair, please detangle the heck out of that hair, because the last thing you want is your client's hair tangling in the process. Make sure you're detangling properly again. And then, as you can see, this one I'm not using any comb attachment. I'm twisting from the root with my hand. But like I mentioned earlier, I do prefer the comb twisting method because I I feel like it's detangling as I'm doing it, but it's all up to you, and it's all down to preference and what is easy for you. This method is less technical, so you don't need any tools, you don't need any comb attachments. So if it is your first time doing it, I think I'd recommend you to try this one first, but again, it's all down to preference. As I mentioned earlier, with this one, I didn't tie any knot, I just started twisting from the root. So don't worry, this video is very detailed. Just watch the video and see how I started the braid. I don't know if you've realised, but I've added curls in there to give it a bit of shabazz, a bit of oomph to it. And you can see, so I usually like the curls to be at the root. And since this was a bob invisible locks, I wanted the curls to be the same length as the bob. Okay, so I added my curls from the root. But just what I mean by you need to twist like with your natural hair. You see how I added the hair? Yeah, just watch and learn basically. But yeah, I added the curls from the root to make it easier with the kinky hair, as you can see. And guys, this is like the cutest hairstyle invented. Honestly, it is so cute. I'm just gonna leave you here to watch the video. Thank you to everyone that has subscribed lately. We're on 300 subscribers, guys. Like I mentioned, I want to get to 1k. Okay, so please hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna let you enjoy the rest of the video because the rest is like really, it's pretty much self-explanatory. Explanatory. I think I said that right. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think about this style in the comments. Is it not like the cutest thing ever? Let me know in the comments. Again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.